If you're trying to install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad without needing a computer, you're in the right spot. In today's updated tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to use the latest EIGN certificate method to sign and install apps directly on your iOS device. No PC needed. First, head over to applegear.system.io. Tap the red button to install AppleGR, then press Allow and move to Settings. There, tap Profile Downloaded and install the AppleGR config. Once that's done, return to your home screen and open the AppleGR app. Inside, I've included many of the latest working certificates for installing IPA files. Tap any random link from the top, then hit Install. It'll be added automatically to your device. To verify it, go to Settings, General VPN and Device Management. Tap the profile and hit Trust. After it's trusted, open the Sign app. Now it's time to import the new signed certificate. Go back to the AppleGR app, tap on EIGN zip certificate, and save it into the Files app. Next, return to the Sign app, tap the three dots in the top right corner, and choose Import. Select the certificate you downloaded earlier. Once imported, unzip the certificate, open the folder, and import the national certificate. Now your certificate is ready, and you're set to install IPA files. Tap the three dots again, and this time choose the IPA file you want to install. After importing it, go to the Apps tab, tap the app icon, choose Signature, then hit Install. Once signed, tap Install again, and the app will show up right on your home screen. And that's it. You now have the latest version of EIGN running, with a fresh certificate. No computer required. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more iOS tips, and drop a comment below if you've got any questions.